Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration, and some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you an update or some custom report. So this one I call BG Dial Custom Sales and List Performance Report. So from this report, you need to copy and paste. You can put the custom pull report or what what do you want to this one, or you can use this one or anything. Okay, so we can now I will show you on how to add this one to your wiki dial so that you can able to see all the uh, list, all the appointment or sales you made, each list, and something. Okay. For now, you need to access your BC Dial backend. So you need to go to your SSH. I'm gonna clear this page, and then I'm using a BC box, so my directory should be on SRB and htdocs. So this is my directory. Okay, CD. So I will put on my BG dial folder. Okay, and then you can copy this one, or if you want to download, or I can use this one as appointment stat. Okay, I use Nano for my editor. Okay, and then go back here. Just copy. Start here to bottom. Okay. Be sure you copy until here. Okay, copy, and then go back on the page, paste here. Okay, okay. Control O and then enter to save, and then Control X to exit. Okay, so after you add, you can copy this one and then go back to the browser. Okay, and then you can add your Wikidata slash appointment stats. Okay, and then you'll see. Okay, and then you will see this report, because as you can see, I don't have yet a lead, but I will show you some sample. I will show you some sample of this report. Okay, so it looks like this one. So this will be the looks a when you already have a data. Okay, so, so this is the sample one. Okay, so you can run the port daily if you want. Also, you can able to export it. Okay, so since they have total records 702 appointments. This one is total for all the list, I think. So you will see all the appointments for all the list. Okay, hope you get it. So you have a custom digital performance, appointment performance. Okay. Okay, for those, so we need to, you can also update if you have, for example, you can update the appointment or the dispositions. See where I can find. Okay, this one. You can update this one right now. You can add more if you want, but only like for sales. What will be the appointment for MBG dial? The status metrics was made or sale. If it was sale, so you can use the sale on the here. Okay, let's submit. Okay, so if I run the records, yeah, because I don't have any data on here, so we cannot see any. Then you can also able to export. Okay, so hope you are interested on the custom report. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe so that you're always updated on our latest video. And also, if you have some requests for custom report, you can always comment on our channel and I will try to make it. Okay, guys, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.